Hello everyone and welcome to a new video where we're going to talk about abbreviations.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Yes, we're going to talk about Swedish abbreviations, meaning Swedish short versions of words. Obviously, you know, we have DVD, we use the same in Sweden, we have VPN, we have Wi-Fi, but there are some words that are still being used in Sweden, so I thought that that would be important for you to know. Let's go. And let's start with BLA. BLA is short for bland annat and means for instance or among other things. Example, jag har bland annat jobbat som chaufför. And the next one is kind of similar in a way. It is TX. TX, and that is short for till exempel. Jag har till exempel jobbat som chaufför. Then we have TOM. TOM, which stands for till och med, and the English translation is even. Jag kan till och med rappa. The next word is IVA. IVA, which stands for intensivvårdsavdelning, which in English would be ICU. IVA. And the next one is BB. And BB is a place. It stands for barnbördshus, a place you go to have your child when you're pregnant. And people don't use barnbörd anymore. They just use BB. Let's go to BB, to have a baby. And then we have BH, and BH, it stands for bysthållare, but nobody says that. Nobody says my bysthållare. You say en BH, a bra. Then we have CA, CA, which is short for cirka, which means about or just about. Vi bor cirka 5 kilometer från stan. Then we have FROM, FROM, which stands for från och med, which means from or starting from. Jag ska bättra mig från och med imorgon. The next one is short and sweet and simple. It's GGR, GGR, which means gånger, which means times. Jag har kört denna banan 5 gånger. Then we have EAF, EAF, which stands for i alla fall, which literally means in all cases, but you would translate it to anyway. Jag har i alla fall kört idag. Then we have something that looks like a Chinese thing, but it's not. It's MAO, MAO, which means med andra ord. In other words, med andra ord så kommer jag att filma den här videon. Then we have IOM, IOM, which stands for i och med, which easily translates to since. I och med att jag har körkort så får jag köra. Then we have KR, which is short for kronor, the Swedish currency. You can also say SEK, S-E-K, Swedish kronor. Then we have a short and easy one again, which is NR, which is short for nummer, number. Then we have USV, USV, which stands for och så vidare, and so on. Han kom hit, han åt, han somnade och så vidare. Then we have SK, SK, så kallad, which translates to so called. Han är en så kallad man. And the last one is verde, verde, which is also a word we use. We don't really use, the longer one, which is verkställande direktör, which in English would be CEO. We just say, han är VD för det här företaget. So there you go, a bunch of abbreviations that you can use when you speak and especially when you write Swedish to save space. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you the next time you click on one of my videos. And don't forget to follow the Swedish language on Instagram and on TikTok for more Swedish stuff.